Due to some strange logic of Microsoft, Windows 10 does not really support a proper backing up system, and without installing a third-party app, it's difficult to show the difference between the types of backups that they are. We've only examined just two, but there are two more very important types we must be made aware of, and that is incremental and differential. However, there is one Microsoft operating system that supported these four methods, which dates back to the year 2001. We are talking about Windows XP. So if you're familiar with the installation of Windows XP, you can skip the next part. The first thing we must do is create a Windows XP VirtualBox. To do this, we first click on Machine, then New. In name we type in Windows XP Original Guest. Then we click on Next. Next again when prompted for the memory size. We clicked on Create to Hard Disk. Then Next again when prompted for Hard Disk File Type. Next to Storage on Physical Hard Disk. Then Create. Clicking on Settings, Storage, CD/DV, then choose Virtual Optical Disk. Clicking on Windows XP.ISO, then OK. Start Windows XP Original Guest. To continue, press Enter. Press Enter again to set up Windows XP. After this, we have to agree to the license by pressing F8. Next, we press Enter to allow Windows to create a partition. Then we select Format the partition using NTFS File System Quick and Enter. There is little intervention from the user at this point until it's time to reboot. When the system reboots, a message will appear to press any key. We did not press any key and Windows continued to load. When prompted for the regional and language options, we clicked on Next, then Next again. At name we typed in User01 and clicked on Next. The product key was then entered, then Next. Next again when prompted for computer name and administrator's password. The time zone was changed to GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, and then we clicked on Next. Typical settings were selected and we clicked on Next. The workgroup name was left as Workgroup and we clicked on Next. We clicked on OK to Windows XP, then checked the date and time properties and clicked on OK. When the computer rebooted again, we did not press any key. When prompted with the display settings, we clicked on OK, then OK again. When prompted with Help Protect Your PC, we selected Not Right Now, then Next. We then chose No, this computer will be connected directly to the internet. Then Next. Again we chose No, remind me every few days. Then we clicked on Next. In Your Name we typed in User01, then clicked on Next, then Finish. When Windows was fully installed, we right-clicked on the desktop and from the drop-down menu we clicked on Properties, then the Settings tab. We then set the screen resolution to 1280 by 1024 pixels, then we clicked on Apply. There is just one more thing we must do before closing Windows, and that is to insert the guest additional CD image. To do this, we click on Device at the top menu, then on Insert Disk Additional CD Image, then follow the on-screen prompts. When Windows restarts, we can view the machine in full screen mode by clicking on View, then Full Screen Mode. To switch out of this mode, we can use the right control key and the F key. To shut down, we clicked on Start, then Turn off the computer, followed by clicking on Turn off. Once back at VirtualBox, we selected the machine, then Settings, Storage, CD, choose Virtual Optical Disk File, then remove disk from VirtualBox, and OK. I found it useful to do one installation like we have done here, then clone the original copy like so. Right click on the machine we want to clone, click on Clone. In our example, we changed the name to Windows XP Original Guest 01. Then we clicked on Next. We checked that the full clone was selected and we clicked on Clone and the process starts. The Windows XP Original Guest is never used, only the clone copies are. This is much quicker than reinstalling the same operating system time and time again.